Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I'm going to be updating you on the Coach Ella shoulder bag. I had no idea how many people would be interested in this bag when I posted my Coach unboxing video. I mean, I don't blame you because it's such a beautiful bag, as you can see. I have been using this now. I bought this in February. It is now April, so I've been using it for 2 months. And it's almost May actually, so a little over 2 months. And I love her. So somebody asked me specifically for an update on this video, somebody asked me for a video update on this bag and how it's wearing in. So I'm very happy to oblige because I love talking about this bag. I think she is definitely my favorite bag of 2026 so far, my most worn bag of 2026 so far. Although I do have one new bag that I haven't showed you all yet. You've seen it in my shorts if you watch my short videos, but that one is rivaling her. It's kind of like I'm like jumping between the two. And luckily that one is much bigger and this one is still big. It's a medium-sized bag. It holds quite a bit. I'm not gonna do a full what fits because I've done that already with this bag, but like it fits my Kindle, it can fit a book, it fits my notebook, it fits everything you might need. Actually, I have my Kindle in there right now. Like she is packed and hefty, has my pouch, all of that good stuff. So anyway, this one still fits a lot, but the other bag that I'm hopefully gonna film a review about soon fits even more. It can actually fit my computer, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, but we're here to talk about her. This is the Coach Ella. I took off the little clochette on the side, so I have been wearing it with just the Coach hang tag. You can put your own charms too if you want, but I haven't been in a charm mood. It does have the logo, which we talked about in the first video, and it's plain on this side, so I typically wear it on my right shoulder. Just like this, I have it in the second hole, but you can make it a little bit longer. And this bag also comes with a crossbody strap, which I have not used. I've been only using her shoulder style. And if you can see, she has gotten very slouchy. And if I take even more things out, if I take out like my Kindle, which is giving her a little bit of structure right now, you'll see the slouch is even more pronounced, and this is exactly what I wanted with this bag. It feels so soft, and even though the outlet bags they're like a little bit more coated in my opinion, the leather, and I'm pretty sure they just are more coated. It actually makes them much more durable, yet you can still see the grain on the leather. I'm not sure if my camera is giving you can see it. It's beautiful. You can still see the leather grain, so I really appreciate that. The bottom is in tip-top condition, no corner wear, nothing like that. And also, most notably, no water stains. So in one of my videos, I shared how I took this bag to mini golf with my family. I feel like I talk about mini golf a lot. It's because my son loves mini golf and we do go a lot. But anyway, I took this bag and I had it inside a big tote bag, and my husband put his canister of coffee not properly closed in there, and my bag was just sitting in a big puddle of coffee for about 20 minutes at least is what I estimate. And I took it out. It smelled like coffee for a couple of days, but I just like wiped it off quickly. When I got home, I didn't even condition or clean it, which is definitely telling me that this is a treated, well-treated leather. But I didn't have to do anything like that. I just wiped it with baby wipes in the car, and it's been fine. There's absolutely no sign of the trauma that she has suffered. So that's a good thing. But yeah, this bag is just wearing really well. I actually was a little concerned when this person asked me to do the update, because I'm like, there's no real update except it's squishier now. And I still love it. So I was like, this is just gonna feel like a blah video. But I think maybe it's useful for you to see with your own eyes just how the slouch is kind of turning out. And this is with her probably like 60, maybe 70% full. I don't know, there's still quite a bit of room in this bag, so you can still put probably double what I have in here. So maybe it's 50% full without it having to stay open. I mean, like you can still zip it up. So yeah, if I took out one more thing to see if it will slouch a little bit more, this is about the slouch that I get on my shoulder. And I really love this because it's so soft that it just squishes when I wear it under my shoulder, so it's not bulky. And that's one of the things with some bags that it irritates me on a shoulder bag if it feels really bulky under my arm, and this one doesn't. So far I'm still loving her. If this comes out in another colorway, I probably will buy it, honestly, because it's just such an affordable bag. And it's just really beautiful and functional for me at this point in my life. The amount that it holds is really kind of perfect. And I wear her to work, and I'm not gentle with her at all. So, you know, honestly, it's like I have nothing but positive things to say about this bag. I will shill for this bag any day of the week. I feel like this bag is just a really great buy. If you like this aesthetic, and I think I shared the whole reason I fell in love with this and bought it immediately when I saw that it was released, was that it looks a lot like the Celine Romy bag, which isn't even available anymore. The version that I like isn't even available on the Celine website, even if I did want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a bag, which I do not. But this is a wonderful version of it, and it's super durable and it's super affordable. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have specific questions, please let me know. There's been no issues with the buckle, no scratches. If you can see on the hardware, it still looks like new, and I have not been babying this bag. And the zipper is still perfect, which I found this is really nice. I think I talked about it in my unboxing, but I've been wanting a bag like this for actually a couple of years. I bought the Celine Romy bag that has a similar shape, and it kind of like has that curved zip and a bit of squish and slouch to it too when you wear it on your arm. And the Celine Romy bag was really disappointing for quite a few reasons. I have a video on that on my channel too, but the zipper in particular was the thing that really put me over the edge. I was like, I can't have a zipper that's sticking all the time. So yeah, the zipper is fantastic. Great bag. So anyway, drop your questions in the comments below. Let me know if you got this bag, because I know many of you did. So many people have been telling me they got this bag after my video. Do you love it? Did you get the bag? Are you interested in the bag? Let me know. I'm so curious. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.